Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I got another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an oil change on your 1995 Honda Civic. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so before we get started, always make sure you have your car up in jack stands. You never want to work under the car without any form of safety. You know, I got two jack stands, one on the left and one on the right. So always make sure you have some jack stands, that way you don't have the car fall on top of you. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by locating the oil drain plug, which is located right behind the oil pan. Alright, so we got our oil pan right here, and the drain plug is located right behind, right here. You can't miss it, it's right here. Alright guys, so we're going to start by removing the 17mm bolt that's plugging up the drain pan. Look at that. The oil is really black. It's really dirty. So we're gonna let this drain out for a couple minutes and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, so while that's draining down there, another thing you can do to help it flow faster is remove the oil cap right here. And that allows for a more smoother stream and it'll go down faster. Alright guys, so it's been a few minutes now and the oil has drained out of the oil pan. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bolt back on. Alright guys, so now we're gonna remove the oil filter, which is located above the oil pan right here. So here's another reason why you don't ever want to tighten up the oil filter with any tool, because you know I have the correct size right here, but when I try to remove it, it just spins. As you guys can see, it just spins. Alright guys, so a cool trick I've learned is if you put sandpaper right behind the tool, a lot of times it'll be more than enough to grip onto the filter and get it out. Alright guys, and if that doesn't work, don't worry, I got your back. So another thing you can do is get a flathead screwdriver, and don't stick it through the middle and try to twist it, because you'll just tear this apart, because this is made out of like a kind of like what the soda cans are made out of. What's, I think, tin or something. But yeah, don't ever do that, because that's just gonna fuck it up. So pierce a hole like right in the bottom to the base. That's where it's like the strongest point. So just poke a hole like at an angle and then just tap it out slowly. It's a long process, but trust me, it'll get the job done. And once you loosen it, you can untie it by hand and you know, let the oil leak out. There shouldn't be any oil because most of it drained out already. So I'll show you guys in a bit right now what I'm talking about. Yeah, you see there's no oil. All right, guys, so what I did is I pierced a hole, and then I put the flathead at an angle like this, and I slowly just started hammering away, and then started tapping it, and it'll loosen it up. A lot of times you're gonna have to do multiple holes, as you can see right here, because I tried to do the one where you stick it through the middle and then try to twist it, but it just tore up more, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. This is by far the most effective way that I've found so far. It's a slow process, but it's a lifesaver. All right, guys, so now we got the new oil filter, and we're just gonna tighten that by hand. Remember, we don't want to use any tools because we don't want to over tighten it and have the same situation we just had. All right, so that should be good enough. It's not on too tight, but it's not loose. All right, guys, so we got the new oil filter in. We got the drain plug. It's tightened up now. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in the new fresh oil. All right, guys, so we got the oil in. So now we're gonna just close up the oil cap, and we are done with this oil change. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.